Hello everyone! In this video, I'll quickly show you how to add your transit card to Apple Wallet. First, open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card, then choose Transit Card from the list. Select your country and the transit system you want. For example, Smart Trip for Washington, D.C. or options for Los Angeles and San Francisco. Choose to either create a new transit card or transfer an existing card by entering the card number, your date of birth, and your phone number. Once added, you can use your iPhone to pay directly with Apple Wallet when you ride. And that's it. That's how to add your transit card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.